We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2018 Ducati Scrambler Mach 2. This has the Roland Sands paint design on it. Really light, really fun, very nimble. It's equipped with ABS front and rear. Also has the nice powerful Brembo braking system on it. Stitching on the seat is really cool. The seat is also very comfy. And miles are extremely low. We're at 436. That is all. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check this one out. It is super fun.